If you've been waiting for the Alameda market to crash before you make your move, this video is going to challenge that thinking. And the 2026 January numbers are in, and what data actually shows is not what most people expect. Stay with me, because whether you are selling or buying in Alameda County, these numbers will tell you a specific story about what your strategy should look like right now. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Nargiz. I'm a local real estate agent here in Alameda County and the broader Bay Area. Every week we talk people just like you who want to buy or sell a house here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to this email or check the description for more ways to connect. So let's start with numbers. The median price for the last month, it was $1.12 million. It's not the highest, it's not the cheapest, right? Alameda County is like median, in the between median. So it's a 3% decline year over year, which means the houses are selling 3% less than it was selling the last year. Next thing I want you to pay attention, how many houses sold in January. It's like 321 homes sold in January 2026, and this is a 2.2% increase year over year. It's better than the last year January. Buyer demand is still there despite of this interest rates and higher prices. Next thing I want you to pay attention, how many active listings we had in Alameda County. 650. We don't have enough houses for sale right now. This one is actually 13% less than what we had in January last year. So what this means, with nearly 13% fewer homes available compared to last January, supply constraints continue to shape competition across Alameda County. We don't have enough supply. So the next one is the mortgage rate environment. As we see, interest rates are getting better. I think that as of yesterday, I think the interest rate is right now below 6. Market speed. How many days our houses are sitting on the market? Median days on market, it's only 17 days. It's still fast, right? 17 days, 2 weeks, and the 3 days, right? In terms of sales to list ratio in Alameda County, houses are selling a little slightly higher than the listing price. We don't see a lot of overbids. In some houses in certain cities, yes, there is like you see 2-3 offers coming in one house, maybe a little bit more. But most of the time, the houses are getting fewer offers, and then the houses are selling a little bit more than the listing price. Some houses, like I said earlier, are sitting on a market a little bit longer, and they have to reduce the price. Nearly 1 in 6 active listings required a price reduction. So a clear signal that overpricing is penalized swiftly in this market. Let's put all together January 2026 market profile. Prices are softening. It's not a crash. Raising sales volume, transactions up 2.2% year over year. Buyers are active and they are committed. Yes, if you go to the open house, there are a lot of people shopping around. Tight inventory. We don't have enough listings for every buyer, and we have favorable financing, declining rates, expanding affordability, and buyer purchasing power. Rapid market pace, 17-day median, homes moving with efficiency and buyer conviction. So it's 17 days in Alameda County, but in some cities, houses are coming on the market, like let's say Friday. So there's a Saturday, Sunday open house, and then Wednesday is gonna be offer deadline, and they are selling like 4 or 5 days and it's gone. Let's talk about the buyers. If you are a buyer in this market, here's what I want you to hear. Before you go house hunting, house shopping, I want you to get prepared, right? I want you to know your budget, and also I want you to get pre-approved. So when the right house shows up on the market, you are ready to make an offer. As we see, houses are moving quickly still with this high interest rates. If you are a seller, as we looked at the prices, if you overprice your house might sit on the market a little bit longer, and then you might be required to do price reduction. So if you want to talk about your specific situation, please feel free to reach out to this email or check the description below for more ways to connect. It doesn't matter if you are thinking about moving in few days or in several years. We are happy to help you out however we can, and I'll see you in this video.